bicycle flipping business without fixing it. I've broken it down to 4 processes. Number one, to find bikes, you have to start doing marketing. And here's the places that I do marketing to find bikes: Craigslist, Facebook, Marketplace, okay, OfferUp, and any other places that you can find that is offering bikes for sale, like classifieds, okay? Number two, you have to buy the bike at a deep discount. And this is the most important part. This is one of the major ingredients to this equation. For example, if a bike is worth $1,000, a deep discount means you're buying it for 80% less than the asking price. And your first question is, well, no one's going to sell me their bike 80% off. And the answer to that is you're incorrect. There are people out there that will sell their bike at 80% off. They're called motivated sellers. And this is why we do number one, marketing. We have to do a lot of marketing to find motivated sellers. Now, trust me, there's a lot of motivated sellers out there in a normal economy. There's a lot of motivated sellers out there in a really bad economy. So there's even more motivated sellers out there now than ever before. Okay. The only thing is with this is you have to look for it. It's like gold. Now, the profit margin on this transactions are humongous. Okay. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So for me to buy a bike, if the bike is worth 1K, I will only offer the seller at $100 to buy their bike to $200 max. Okay. And so I'm buying it 80% off. Now, step number three is staging the bike for sale. And what that means is I get the bike, I wash it really nice. It's very, it may take me like 5 minutes to wash the bike. Okay. And then I take amazing, beautiful pictures of it. So number one, I got to wash it. And number two, I got to take beautiful pictures. And this is the most important part, taking that beautiful pictures, because I'm selling it online. Okay. And for me to do that, I got to take beautiful pictures. Okay. So it conveys to people that they want to buy this bike. Okay. And I'm taking a lot of beautiful pictures, unlike other sellers out there. Okay. So at this staging, I never fix the bike. I don't do rehabs with the bike. I don't buy bikes that need repairs. Okay. And I get into a detail in my book, but for the simple sake, if a bike has a flat, I just turn around and sell it with the flat. If the bike has a rusty chain, I just turn around and sell it with the rusty chain. What I do that makes it different is that I'm going to get into it. I sell it at a discount, and which is step number 4. Okay. Why does my bike sell? Because I'm selling at a discount. So that $1,000 bike, I may sell it for $750. I may sell it for $800. Okay. Why? Because I paid for maybe $150 for it. Paid for it $150, so I can sell it at a deep discount or a discount and still make huge profits. Now everyone else is trying to sell that bike for $1,000 or 900 at the lowest. I'm selling it for 750. Yes, people are going to save a lot of money. I'm going to be able to sell it very, very fast. Okay. So what is the difference between my equation is that I buy the bikes right. Okay. And then I stage them, which means that it's very important that I take beautiful pictures, I wash it, I make it very presentable. I do all the stuff that no one else wants to do for itself to happen online, because I know that most people want to see it in great light conditioning, XY. And then I sell it at a discount, lower than anyone else in my local area. So I get the most amount of hits. And then I rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay. Now some people say, Mike, people are not going to sell you their bike at 80%. And I can tell you, just go to thenewflip.com and look at all the testimonials, all the reviews. People have bought bikes at a deep discount. I buy bikes at a deep discount. Other students from Great Britain to Canada to America have bought bikes at deep discount, from Florida all the way up to the North Dakota in the cold weather. So yes, this strategy that I'm showing you, not only does it work for bikes, it also works with real estate, it works with RVs, it works with motorcycles. And this is the strategy of what I try to teach in real estate, is to deal with motivated sellers. Because the cool thing in real estate is you can, instead of coming up with the $200 to buy this bike that's worth $1,000 for 200, in real estate you can buy a house at a deep discount and then allow the seller to become your own bank. So I don't have to even use all my money on like a bike. I got to come up with cash with it. So in real estate, I can have the seller become my private bank. But this is beyond the scope of this conversation. You can go to myrealestatedojo.com, check out some of my free training there that teaches you about that stuff. But the bicycle flipping business is very, very simple. You do marketing to find motivated sellers. There are two types of motivation: emotional and financial. I've done a lot of videos about that. Go to My Real Estate Dojo and learn for free. Then one of the secret recipes is to buy the bike at a deep discount. And the next secret recipe is to stage it, taking beautiful pictures of it, to wash it. And the pictures, again, I need to stress, is very, very important. And then number four is to sell it at a discount. But I'm not talking about $10, $20, $50, a lot lower than anyone else. A couple of $100 where I'm getting everyone wanting to buy my bike versus anyone else because it's a good deal. Okay. And then I rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And in my book, if you're interested, you can get it at thenewflip.com. Anyone that buys it, I believe in it so much that I know that's going to help you make money today. Plus, it teaches you all the skills you need for future life, for negotiation, sales, but more importantly, if you want to get in the real estate game, the new flip gives you all the foundational skills you need before you step into the big leagues and do real estate. And that's why I created it. So when you download the book, if you choose to, you get the free coaching. I answer every and all your questions because I believe in the product. I believe in you. I want you to win, and that's why I do what I do, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully you'll support and get the book. If not, I know you can make money without it. I'm giving you the secret recipe right here. If you get my book, it's a copy and paste. I have all the offers that you give them. Just copy and paste. It works. A lot of students have tried it. All it requires is effort. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking the like button. Thank you for subscribing, and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Peace.